This video is sponsored by Rizloan. Visit rizloan.com to learn more.
With more than 2,000 psi on the inside and exposure to combustion pressures above 1,500 psi, a direct fuel injector does not have an easy life. A direct fuel injector is basically a solenoid-operated fuel valve that allows precisely metered fuel droplets to be sprayed into the cylinder at the exact point in the crankshaft rotation. The solenoid is activated when an electric current is passed through the fuel injector windings and pulls the pintle valve off the seat for a few thousandths of a second, so fuel can be sprayed directly into the cylinder. For direct fuel injection, the voltages required might be more than 100 volts. A spring returns the pintle valve to the seat and seals off the fuel flow when the solenoid is deactivated. An inlet or basket screen is installed in the fuel injector to prevent the pintle valve from being held open by microscopic debris transported from the fuel lines or the high pressure fuel pump. Injectors can become clogged due to deposits building up inside the body or the injector. Even carbon deposits can build up where the tip of the injector goes into the cylinder head. Sometimes the detergents in pump gas need some help. Intake treatments can help to dissolve the deposits inside the fuel injector and restore the droplet size to what the engineer specified from the factory. These fuel treatments can also help to clean the catalytic converter, intake valves, oxygen sensor, and some of the carbon deposits inside of the combustion chamber. By doing this type of cleaning, you can reduce emissions, clear codes, and keep the check engine light out for your customers. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.